being in the Texas humidity is like drinking alcohol. The longer you're experiencing it, the more downhill you go. All right, here we go. We got a two-part test here to the hawks. What we're doing is seeing if we hit the water and get penetration of the 1/4 inch board behind it. And then on the next shot, we're going to try to hit the board first and see if we get full penetration of the water behind that. Vice versa, you know, this is just a difference of material impacting. I think my phone just did its own thing. Anyways, it is focusing on me. I can see the little focusing on it. Watch me. So, hopefully, it will keep going. And hopefully, y'all just got what I just said. Son of a bitch. Okay. We got the water on the first one. We hit the board. So now let's hit the board and see what we can do on the water. All right, well, I can already tell y'all from the sound of the trees in the background, it went through the water. Just a little deduction. All right, there we go. Camera crew at work. Awesome job, you guys. You're a good camera. All right, we have the first shot. Hitting the water, smacking the board. Interesting. Pellets right here. We do not have penetration of the board. We do have a little ding. There's a little split. That's it. Now, let's magically change sides. Ta-da! I'm not editing that out. That's magic. We have hitting the board, passing into the jug, the water, and we have the exit hole right here. It does kind of look like it got a little bit of a twist going in. So let's I'm gonna get the other camera and break this down a little bit. All right, here you go. Give you all a bird's eye view of what's going on. These are the pellets. That's the hawk. That's what we got. We impacted right here and hit the board right behind it. You see, put a little ding in it, a little split, nothing much. The water slowed it down enough. It was enough cushion. It absorbed enough of the energy, the shock, to slow the bullet down enough. Now, on the other hand, shooting through the board first, we got clean past her all the way, as y'all heard in the trees in the background. But we hit the board first. This is a long piece of tape. And we took a nice little chunk of wood in there with that. Went in and came right out right there. So here's that, the hole right there that we got going on. And then on the back, it kind of, on the back, whenever that piece came out, let me see if I can get that out there. That's how that piece was, it would have been on the board like that. So it basically pushed the chunk out of it and yeah, pushed the chunk out of it right there, split it off. Interesting. And there's the difference between the pellet on impact. I like that results right there. I mean, that came out pretty for a pellet. I mean, yeah, this is definitely doing more than what I was expecting it to do. So I like that. That smashed up pretty nicely. That is the 22 cal Hawk, 25.3 grains out a Benjamin Nitro piston.